already. Get up.
Hey Google, stop.
Your bread think.
Duh. I just woke up.
I brushed my teeth earlier.
I know, you woke up an hour earlier than me.
It's winter, perfect time to say our first hello. Scarves and sweaters bundled up in cotton, knowing names that wouldn't be forgotten.
Perfect in this wild world we live in. It got me questioning in my worth is due for summer day with a drop of rain. So let's cut to the chase. You
Good morning. You little elephant today. Good morning, Maxie boy. Good morning. Good morning. Go. Go, Luna, go. Look at this little elephant. He's so cute. Oh. Now look. Let's see you with this on. Look. She's so angry. Look how angry she is, you guys. But you look so cute. You got a pen 15 on your head. Pen 15, girl. Hiya. Hiya. It's so gloomy today, but we're going to Sam's. We've been going to Sam's a lot. Did you know that?
Yeah, no.
Because, you know, we're adults. We need foods. We got toilet paper. Hey, yeah. Hiya. Look at this fat boy and his croissant.
Yes.
Let me zoom in the croissant.
Condensed milk.
With condensed milk.
Yep.
Eat it. Eat it. You're so ugly, baby.
That was a mug beans.
What?
That was mug beans.
Another year went by so quickly. It's Christmas.
Mask up, you guys.
And even though
Be safe,
we
you know.
get busy, we still have
Put your mask
time
on.
to talk for hours on end.
We're at Mall of America now. And I'm here because I'm gonna go Christmas shopping.
I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since.
I got me some cinnamon. With extra frosting. And it's so good.
That December, would've known I would've made my best friend on that night. Under 1,000 Christmas lights.
I'm gonna show you guys one of the purchases, which is this. I got an LED light. It's from Brookstone, but I got it at Burlington Co Factory, which is only 15 bucks. I don't know what the regular price. The regular price was 20. I'm about to set it up right here. Next time I gotta read the box, and if you guys want LED lights, read the box, okay? Okay. I mean, I think it's pretty cool. And I got this little $20 cheap thingy, starlight thingy from Target.
Lights like stars